how to clear recents on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can clear recents on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So the problem here is quite simple. You go and open Snapchat app, and then you maybe just come to the chat page, or maybe you try to search for a certain person over here via quick add over here. So now let me just go ahead and search for, let's say, any person here. And once I search for them, let's say I just go to their own profile here, or I just go to their profile page. What happens is that next time onwards, if I cross this out, it is going to show up in the recents tab over here, as you can see. So the same thing to remove it, just tap the search box, you'll see the recents tab, and here you'll find the clear all button. Make sure to tap the clear all button over here, and as you do that, clear the recents, and then recents tab will get successfully cleared. And this way you'll be able to clear recents on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.